Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And right now I'm in a live trade on Roblox, ticker Rblx. Today is the 15th of June 2022. It's a Wednesday. Roblox just kind of popped out of nowhere. And shout out to Megan from BBT family in the chat room. She called out Roblox. I was kind of getting chopped up on Amazon, so you know what? I'm done with this trade. You see that pullback right there? I'm good. This trade ain't gonna work out to the upside. I'm gonna flip my position. I'm gonna go in short because there's too much struggling to break out. Roblox looking like it's gonna be a pump and dump. So we kind of pumped up price here from what was the lows, 25.35, and we all the way up to 28.18. So approximately a $3 pump, and I think we're gonna pull all the way back now. Because there's something about this price action on top here I don't like how it's been looking, like this right here. Let's see what's the volume on that. Is it, let me see. Alright, that's strong volume right there, and that's even stronger volume. So yeah, flip my position, R6 rejection, and let's see how far we could take it down. Probably maybe at least a VWAP. But look at this right here, man. Yeah, these market makers really playing around today, man. I got chopped up on Amazon as well, so right now it's a small red day. Controlling my risk, not really taking much shares because of the kind of risky environment right now. We got the Fed rates coming out at 2 o'clock, so let's see what it do. Right, we have this reaction here, low volume. I'm not seeing any volume on this pullback. On this push up. Alright, so I'm gonna add to my position at 28. We have a lot of rejection here at 28. So if it's gonna fail, and this is a retest of that level of 28, it's a good place to add. It's also the upper VWAP line. You see that red line right there? So I took the break of upper VWAP and I took the rejection of upper VWAP at 28. Average price is 27.88 for the big short. Let's see what it do. I know Brian from BBT family, he from Be Able Traders, he says, you know, never short a strong stock. But I think this might be a special case because of the market environment, you know. Because I think, like, if I were a market maker, I would pump up price at the open and then, you know, probably flush the price down. Because it's easy to trap bulls, man. Like, if you're a market maker, it's really easy to trap bulls. You just run up the price and they just come running in. They just jump in, they just look at the candle. They can't, like, for instance, right? Bulls can't avoid that candle right there. Like, if you wanted to pump and dump right there, they could trap bulls right there and just flush from there. Like, it's a no-brainer, you know. And I guess it's easy to trap trap traders on either direction, you know, like you could set it up like this, give this this sense of like rejection here at 28 and then just shoot off, you know. So it's a tricky game, but the volume always lets you know what's going on, you know. Like for instance, this volume right here associated with this reversal candle right here, right? But then we have this volume here is kind of low on this pullback, and this candle is now probably larger than this candle. Is it? No, it's probably a little smaller, but in relation to the volume, like it's still double, and this is almost the same. So where's the volume, you know? So with that said, it could be a kind of manipulation, if you know what I'm saying. The volume has to correlate with the price action. So if there's no volume, then why is it moving like that? Or if there's little volume, why is it moving so much? Man, the follow through on the market today is kind of iffy, man. Like this was a nice run up here, but the pullback isn't looking so. The pullback isn't looking so good. And let me do this for you right here. I'm gonna set my stop at break. Even if it pulls back, I'm out. Right now I'm just looking at the level 2, and the level 2 is looking kind of balanced. It's not really looking like the bids is heavier than the ask right now. So this pushback up right here could just be like a pullback to go forward, to push up. And I'm out. Alright, so today I think I'm gonna just sit on my hands a little bit. Maybe I might trade something a little later, but today got, let me see, let me go back. I don't think I went to Amazn. Let me show you what I did on Amazn. So try to break out here. I guess what I was talking about happened to me. So I got bull trapped right here. The R4 breakout, 104.24, this green line right here. Took the breakout of that, was a little late. It pulled back on me, so I stopped out here, went short, flipped the position, went short, which was above VWAP, so that didn't really make too much sense, and got stopped out here. And then let's see, what did I do here? I believe, yep, went short here again. Yeah, this was bad, man, because this is up above upper VWAP and R4, and got stopped out. But I guess I was waiting on this, and this never happened in this time, you know. So yeah, it's choppy, man. It's choppy. Plus I don't really have a real strategy for this one. This one was kind of like, it's not really the mama bear strategy, you know. This is kind of, it's above R3, so this is more like a bullish kind of looking. Let's see, hold on. It's more of a bullish kind of outlook on this right now. So this wouldn't be the mama bear strategy for me, because we kind of pushing up from yesterday into the close. We're kind of moving back up, held R3 and just broke out. So this wouldn't really be a mama bear strategy. Mama bear strategy is if we're pulling down and then our tree is like right here, I guess, and we have like all right, let me see if I could explain this properly. Let's say we closed like this yesterday, right here, right? We closed like this, and then today, and let's say our tree was around here today, we would pop up, hit our tree, and then pull back. That's the mama bear right there. And this is different because it's running up at yesterday's close, ran up today, held our tree, and then broke out. So that's not the mama bear strategy at all. And now it's looking like it wants to break out, but it's a bunch of traps, man. It's a bunch of traps. Let me take one more look at what's going on here. So we're back at 28. See this craziness going on right here? That's real chop right there. You gotta wait until probably it breaks 28.25 to jump back in, cause that high is 28.19. And I'm looking at the SPY and the QQQs right now. They're at upper VWAP. QQQ broke above upper VWAP, but everything is looking kind of iffy, man. I think it's really what I was saying about like market makers. Like I was talking about that in the BBT chat room on YouTube. In the comment section, I said if I were a market maker, I would probably just bull trap everyone at the open and then just flush price down, you know. I think they might be up to that today. I'm not sure though, but it's looking like it. Let's see, let me try and bring this across so you can see what I'm talking about. So you see we have the QQQ chart right here, right? You see all this pullback, indecision, you know, this wicking around right here, these two candles, these two doji candles right here. You see we come back right there and we just settle in the middle of the candle, right, after these large wicks. And then you have the breakout, and then you have this pullback here to VWAP. Then we're breaking out now to R6. Alright, so I'm gonna take one more shot at Rblx, but what I'm gonna do is this. Alright, so I'm gonna take that. So I'm taking the 28.25 breakout. The Qs is looking strong. So let's see what it do. And I gotta be aware now of my psychology, because I'm kind of letting the market kind of lead me with price action. So it led me here with the rejections, right? Tried to take the breakout, that stopped out. Then we got the rejections, went short, flipped the position, went short, and had to cover here. Yep. Let's see, make sure I'm saying the right thing. Went long here, covered, flip and went short at 28, right? And stopped out here because we were breaking back out. So I guess that was a good decision. Didn't have to hold until it broke the highs above here. But come on, man, I don't like this price action, man. It just sits there, man. You know what I mean? Like, where's the conviction? Where's the moves? Alright, 28, 27. We're gonna give it until, let's see, 28, a break of 28. Let's see, 27. Let's see, what's this level here? I'm gonna give it till 27.88. And then we close up shop for today, man. That's it with this choppy market. Ain't no direction, ain't no moves, just faking me out. So it's looking like it's time to go. And right now the level 2 is looking really stacked on the bid side, so this could really fail right here. We have the purple coming in on the tape, but it's mixed with light blue, so it's looking like it's a real battle to break out here. So I guess there's a bunch of short sellers just trying to bring price down. But it mightn't even be that. It might just be market makers, man, just manipulating the price, you know. And I think they're getting me to follow them, you know what I'm saying? That's why I'm thinking, like, after this trade, if this hits my stop loss, I'm done. Because this is a whole pump and dump scenario right here. Like, they got me to flip now, go long, and then they're gonna just dump it out. Because the level 2 is looking stacked on the bid side, so. Alright, so that's where support is, 27 at R6, and now we're breaking down. Yeah, man, so that's it for me. Losses on Amzn and Rblx. Kept my risk management tight, so all in all, it's not really a big loss for today. Small money, but today is really choppy, man. And that's something that you hear traders say, like when they lose, they say it's a choppy market, but it's not always true. It's just sometimes they take bad trades, you know, but today is really kind of whipsawy, you know what I mean? So Amzn is breaking out, and you see there's lack of conviction, man. You see these big purple candles pulling back here. It's just that stuff, like if you take a long, you're definitely gonna stop out. It's coming back to hit your stop loss, you know. See that? Look at that chart on Apple right there. Like where you gonna go long or where you gonna go short. It taking out stop losses either direction, you know. And it just kept doing it, back and forth, back and forth. Alright, y'all, it's King Yadia, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.